Good morning and welcome to a new video. It is Saturday, the 22nd of February. Yeah, this month's gone really quick. And we've even got the sun out today, which makes a change. A bit cloudy, but yeah, I'm coming out today because come tomorrow, which will be Sunday the 23rd, it's going to be absolutely terrible weather, so I thought I'd get it all and done with today. So yeah, as you can tell in front of us, it's a lovely blue sky. Come tomorrow, all that will change. It'll be absolutely miserable. Well, saying that, I don't know yet. Forecast doesn't look all that in particularly good for tomorrow. They're going to go for a walk up to Blackpool Central, so like that, and we'll take a look to see how the former police station is coming along as my weekly update. And as the late nights start rolling in, I might start going out a couple of weekdays, mostly around my local area. For the moment, the nights are still coming a bit early. So by the time I finish work, it's going dark. So, yeah, just good to have to wait and see. As you can see, coming up to Water Road Bridge, it's got the Welcome to Blackpool sign just there. And I wonder if Blackpool's going to get busy a bit later on during the course of today, with the weather being as nice as it is. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been to Blackpool so far this year. If so, was it just a day out? Do you live in Blackpool? Was you visit a family? Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. And just like that, we're into the second section into the next section of the car park. The other side of Water Road Bridge. And there's a bridge behind us. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous day today. Yeah, well, I've walked to Blackpool Central anyway and checked out the former police station. Well, I've looked to see what's going on around Blackpool this morning before it starts picking up. All that fencing there is blown down. Yeah, it's supposed to be getting windy as well tomorrow, so I believe. Is it the end of winter though? I mean, already I'm just wearing a jacket and I can feel the heat already. It's about 9 degrees. So, yeah, it's not cold, but at the same time, it's not hot either. It's just right. Yeah, no, might be able to start saving on the gas meter. Yeah, we're coming up to Blackpool Football Stadium. I'm going to walk up here though, and go up to central part of Blackpool, and I'll see you up there unless if I see something beforehand. So I catch up there. Yeah, so I'm just walking past Blackpool Football Club, Seasiders. And just a quick one really. As a content creator, there isn't really anywhere where you can put your phone down. I mean, put your camera down if you want to film. Yeah, you got a bench there, but that's a bit low down. You got bins, but they're not exactly flat. But also I'd be worried about it getting nicked. I suppose you got that bit there. But it's a case of finding anything that you can to put your camera down. I do a bit of a different concept on these videos. I do a nice little walk down. Look at that there. Stay Funny, Jordan Banks, Pollard. Yeah, he got struck by thunder whilst he was playing football, something that he enjoyed doing. Thunder, lightning, I'm not sure which it would have been, but yeah. Yeah, it's a shame. Just walking past Blackpool Transport. I think these are offices or something. But yeah, I do more like a vlog concept sort of thing in these videos. You got the former audience cinema down there. I'm not entirely sure what's actually happening about that, to be honest. Like how randomly slowed down, I don't know why. But yeah, you got all that down there. Former audience cinema. Not sure what they're actually doing about that, to be honest. It's a shame though. Don't know what's actually happening about Odeon now. Are they in debt or something? Have they just decided to close down? Because our nearest cinema is the one in town centre, which is called the Backlot. Or we've got another one which is called the View Cinema, which is based in Cleveland. I go to the View though because I get tickets through Sky. Get 2 free tickets a month through Sky. At the end of the day, I'm paying for them, so might as well use it. Yeah, we're coming up to Blackpool Central now, so I'll catch you all up there. Well, a bit of a weekly update on these signs. They're still not changing. You got Markelly's there, not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. You got Monster Hunt, which is an old sign. Got Blackpool Festival, again, it's an old sign. You got Blackpool Illuminations, again, that's no sign. You got Blackpool Christmas by the Sea, again, that's another old sign. I mean, instead of outdated signs, I think people would probably rather look at an empty billboard. Again, that's an old sign, Christmas by the Sea. Blackpool Illuminations, that's another old sign. This is a new one, Big Night Out. New for 2025, Showboat, Blackpool. Tickets are from £9.50, that's not bad. Every Saturday from March. So that's quite relevant. That was quite interesting. Yeah, so you got the Blackpool Central car park just here. We'll try and take a peek of the former police station from up here before I go down the ramp. So I'm not sure you can see, but they've demolished all that up to now. And I'll try and get a closer look. Yeah, I'll try and get a closer look. But at the moment they are just demolishing the former court building. From the court building and the car park. Yeah, there's quite a lot of it. Look at that wall there. Yeah, they've got all this lot to go yet. Looks like someone smashed window. Ooh, zooming in there. Looks like someone smashed windows up there. Well, that was a bit lighter through the car park. That's probably with the sun being out after all this time. So yeah, there isn't much happening around this part of the area. They're all starting from around there while I was just filming before. I imagine when they knock this down, they'll probably level all that. Fill it in or something with concrete, maybe. They'll use all the rubble to begin with, use it for the foundation, and they'll probably just put something over it to help solidify it. That's either word. Yeah, that's the car park. As you can see, we've got Blackpool Tower right in distance there, standing proud. Yeah, that's still the Blackpool police station standing. Shouldn't be too long, then they'll start taking that down next. Probably do it as a controlled explosion. And that's to form a Bonnie Street Market. They'll probably just use it for a car park for the time being. Yeah, it's still closed, the car park, you know. They'll reopen it after it's been knocked down, probably. If you enjoyed watching the video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, ding dong that notification bell. I'll catch you all in the next video.